Welcome everyone. Every Thursday we try to learn a little bit from the holy Rebbe Vayishlach ben Sarasashim Berditchev, in the holy Hasidic volume Kedushas Levi. This week's Parsha is Parshas Vayishlach. In the book of Genesis, chapter 32, verse 13, it says, "Vatamarta heitiv eitiv imach," and now it's said that I will surely do good with thee. Perish eitiv imach, she'ehei heitiv bisgalia lechol shehu toiva. What is the meaning that I will do good with you? That the goodness that God does should be revealed to everyone, that it's good. Sometimes there are kindnesses that come from God that are hidden and are not obvious to the eye. Just opposite, it might appear to be evil, and the good is hidden. That's not the case when the Blessed Creator does a revealed kindness with a human being. Then the goodness is revealed. Or furthermore could be explained. And thou hast said that I will surely do good with thee. What is the double terminology of a goodness I will do good with thee? Because God, the Blessed Creator, pours down energy and gives His goodness to His people, the Israelites. And that goodness, that blessing also goes to the nations. So what's the difference between them? The goodness that God gives to the Israelites is for goodness. However, when it comes to the pagans, if they're doing evil things, we're not talking about righteous Gentiles here. Those are included in the spiritual Israel in a certain sense, the righteous Gentiles of whatever religion they are. But in Deuteronomy chapter 7, verse 10, it says, that God pays back His enemies to their face to destroy him. What does it mean? That the benefit isn't a benefit to them. But when it comes to the Israelites, that goodness, and for all good people, that goodness is for the sake of the goodness. That's what it means, goodness, I will do good with thee. That the purpose of the goodness is for the goodness itself. Thank you for watching. God bless. Please like, share, and subscribe. Comment. We'll see you later.